Welcome to Cuyahoga Valley National Park. Now, even though the rain derailed my plans to bike through the park today, luckily it's not my first time here. So here are 5 things that you should do while you're visiting the park. We are at Cuyahoga Valley National Park. I was gonna rent a bike, but it's not quite the right weather for that. This is definitely an outdoorsy park, whether you bring your bike. There's plenty of things to keep you busy. Since the rain derailed my plans to go for a bike ride today, here are the 5 things I would recommend doing while you're at the park. If you're new here, my name is Laura and I'm on a mission to see all 63 national parks this year. Make sure you subscribe so you can join me on this epic road trip. Of course, these aren't in any specific order and you could do all 5 in a single weekend trip. The first thing on our list is to find your favorite waterfall. There are waterfalls in every corner of Cuyahoga Valley. Blue Hen Falls is a great hike. Brandywine Falls has a boardwalk that takes you straight to the waterfall. And Bridal Veil is a good mix of both. Number 4 is to birdwatch at Beaver Marsh. There's a boardwalk that runs right over Beaver Marsh, and this was one of the biggest surprises when I was on my last trip. There were so many birdwatchers that day. The birdwatchers even saw an eagle while I was there. You'll be able to explore the boardwalk and check out the turtles, ducks, fish, and everything else that lives at the marsh. Number 3 is to bike through the park. The towpath trail runs through the park and connects all of the small towns along the way. As a bonus, it runs by multiple locks from the Erie Canal, and you can stop and check those out along the way. Number 2 is to check out the Everett Covered Bridge. This old covered bridge is red and a great juxtaposition to the green trees. I was here in the fall and it offered endless photo opportunities. As a bonus, it's right next to Sazley Farms, where you can stop for some sweet corn or pumpkins depending on the time of year. Number 1 on the list is to check out the Ledges. The Ledges area of the park has excellent hiking. You can explore the coves that run between the ledges. You can also just explore the open green space. This would be the perfect spot to throw a frisbee or take a picnic. As a bonus, it's the best spot in the park to see the sunset. And if you have extra time, come up here to the overlook. This overlook of Cuyahoga Valley in itself is a national landmark, so if you have some extra time, make sure you stop by. That is it from me here at Cuyahoga Valley. Make sure you subscribe so you can come along to the next national park. I'll see you there in a few days.